Today we have got a topic that hits close to home for many of us: heart health. Heart disease is the leading cause of global death, claiming a staggering 18 million lives every year. It's easy to overlook the importance of what we eat, but here's the truth: our diet plays a significant role in determining the health of our heart. What we consume can either protect our hearts or put them at risk. So the big question is, what are the top foods that can weaken our heart? Today we will discuss all of them and more. Sugar. Excessive sugar consumption poses a significant threat to heart health. Sugar primarily is the form of glucose, serves as a quick energy source for our muscles and brain. However, we consumed in excess, sugar can weaken cardiovascular system. One of the major concerns is its impact on blood sugar levels. Consuming too much sugar leads to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, which over time damage blood vessels and the cell lining them. This can contribute to plaque built up in arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, high sugar consumption can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, affecting digestive health. Fast foods. Fast foods can have detrimental effect on heart health due to their high content of trans fats, saturated fats, and sodium. These components contribute to elevate levels of LDL cholesterol, increased blood pressure, and a higher risk of heart disease. Fast foods are often low in essential nutrients and high in calories, promoting obesity and other significant risk factors for cardiovascular issues. Additionally, the inflammatory effect of certain ingredients in fast foods and their impact on blood sugar levels may fast food items contain sodium levels that far exceed the recommended daily intake, contributing to a population-wide epidemic of hypertension. Bread, a staple in many dishes around the world, can potentially contribute to heart health issues if consumed in excess or if one chooses varieties that lack nutritional value. One of the primary concerns with certain types of bread is their high refined carbohydrate content. White bread, for example, undergoes a refining process that strips away the outer grain and germ layers, removing valuable nutrients and dietary fiber. This leads to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, potentially contributing to insulin resistance and weight gain, both of which are risk factors of heart disease. Rice. Rice is a dietary staple for a significant portion of the global population. Can have implicated for heart health depending on the type and quantity consumed. White rice commonly polished to remove the grain and germ layers, resulting in a refined product that lacks essential nutrient and dietary fiber. This refined nature of white rice causes it to be rapidly digested and absorbed, leading to a spike in blood sugar levels. Consistently high blood sugar can contribute to insulin resistance and over time increase the risk of heart disease. On the other hand, brown rice, which retains the grain and germ layer, is a whole grain and a much healthier option. It contains more minerals, vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants compared to white rice. The fiber in brown rice helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and diabetes, which are linked to heart problems. It's important to note that the way rice is prepared and consumed also play a significant role. High sodium foods. High sodium foods can have detrimental on heart health. Excessive sodium intake is closely linked to elevated blood pressure, a major risk factor for cardiovascular disease such as heart attack and stroke. Sodium plays a key role in regulating fluid balance, and an overabundance of this mineral can lead to increased blood volume, subsequently rising blood pressure. Prolonged high blood pressure puts additional strain on the heart and blood vessels, contributing to the development of cardiovascular complications. Additionally, high sodium intake may promote fluid retention, further exacerbating hypertension. Therefore, reducing the consumption of high sodium foods is an essential part of safeguarding heart health. Substituting salt in the diet with natural spices, using unrefined sea salt, or incorporating herbal seasoning can be effective measures to ensure optimal heart health. Which above food you like to avoid for healthy heart? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.